Hello, my name is Andrea, and I provide customer success with Tax1099. And today we will do a video on how to map in QuickBooks Desktop. So once you're logged in to your desktop, you will click on Vendors, 1099 Forms, and Print e-file 1099 Forms. Just click Yes. Even though we're not actually going to print them out, just click yes. So here you would choose whether you want to map for your NEC or your miscellaneous. Just click get started on whichever one you want to map on. This section will show all of your vendors. It's okay if they're all checked. Your vendor information. If you notice something is missing, the EIN phone number, you can go back to the vendor's profile and update it. This is where it will show you what accounts are used for 1099, the account type. So you do this in your mapping section inside the vendor part of it. Um, you want to make sure that none of them say omit these payments from 1099 because it will not map. So if you see any omits, just hit the arrow, choose where you need the box to go. I chose NEC, so all of mine will be non-employee compensation. Once you have that done, click continue, continue again. This section will show you what has been mapped and unmapped. You don't want any amounts here that mean they have not been paid and you need to pay them so they can switch over to this section. You also don't want any negative numbers here. So once this looks good, just click continue and save and close. And that's how you map your NEC or miscellaneous forms before import. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.